Welcome to 2934 Northwest Chardonnay here in the heart of West Bend. This is a single level home, just over 2,000 square foot. There are 3 bedrooms, an office, and 2 baths. Let's go in and take a look. As we enter the home, we're greeted by the 10-foot ceilings, the 8-foot solid doors, and immediately on our left is this fantastic office with a sliding barn door. This wonderful open concept floor plan has a kitchen, dining room, and living room, all looking out to the deck. The kitchen sits just off the dining room, creating a great open feel, and nothing was overlooked, from the slab countertops to the stainless steel appliances. Wide plank oak floors lead us to the living room and the wonderful stone fireplace. The sliding glass door gives us easy access to the back deck, which is wonderful for entertaining. Two comfortably sized additional bedrooms share a hallway bath, also with double vanities. Here we are entering the primary bedroom, which is nicely situated away from the other bedrooms. The primary suite includes 2 walk-in closets, tiled walk-in shower, and double vanity. This lovely home is walking distance to Shevlin Park and minutes to Northwest Crossing in downtown Bend. I invite you to come take a look for yourself.